या मुझे इंग्लिश में सब समझ में आता है। लाइक मैं इंग्लिश मूवीज़ देख सकती हूँ, समझ सकती हूँ, वेब सीरीज़ देखती हूँ, न्यूज़ देखती हूँ, यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ देखती हूँ और मैं सब समझ आती हूँ, आर्टिकल, मैगज़ीन सब मुझे इंग्लिश में समझ में आता है। इवन तू जो बोलेगी मुझे वो भी समझ में आएगा। बट जब बारी आएगी मेरी बोलने की, मैं बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हो जाती हूँ। मुझसे कुछ नहीं बोला जाता। मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मुझे सारी इंग्लिश आती है। जब बात बोलने की आती है तो मैं चुप क्यों हो जाती हूँ? क्या ऐसा आपके साथ भी होता है? वैसे मुझे पता है ऐसा सबके साथ कभी ना कभी होता है। सो इफ यू एवर फील दैट, सो दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू। Hello, people out there. I'm Drashtaspeakenglish and I have challenged myself to speak English 3 to 5 minutes on daily basis. So yes, today I'm talking about something that almost every English learner struggle with. I understand English, but I can't speak it. So, what's the problem is? You understand movies, YouTube video, but when it's come to speak, your mind say, system error. Okay, now why you can't speak English? I'll share 5 6 reasons behind it. So first one is passive learning only. You watch English video a lot. You listen podcast music a lot. You read English novel too, but you only getting it input. You are never use this language actively. You never speak English. So the point is what you input in English that will make you understand English. But output make fluency. But here output is missing. You're not speaking the language. There is the problem start. And if you don't know about input output, so I give you a little gist because this is a very big topic in English learning. Like it's a comprehensive input and output to learn English, and I definitely make video on this topic too. Now, the second biggest reason you can't speak English is you translate everything. Yes, this is the biggest reason normally people are not fluent in English because they translate everything. I'm not totally opposed translation, but still it slow down your mind if you're constantly using translation method. So this will stop you to be fluent in English. Third point is no English environment. Like we all are complaining that I am not surrounded with English environment. People are not talking in English with me, not at my home, not in school, college, workplace. Like I am from Rajasthan, and here is not the culture of English. Like I'm not saying that nobody talk, but still, where I belong from Nasirabad, I didn't get that environment. Like in my school also, even though I am from Kendra Vidyalaya, but still. So I know that environment issue, everyone we face it, but that was an excuse for me. I'll tell you why. But first we cover all the point why we can't speak English. Now the fourth point is fear of judgment. Like you are not scared of speaking English, you are scared of people. The people who make fun of you, the people what thought of you, thought think like people what think about you. But I'm saying it, you are the main character in your life. Like nothing matters what people think about you. I'm just telling you free again. Okay, ignore. Fifth point is you wait to become perfect. Like you think that when I perfectly learn English fluently, my grammar is correct, then I start to speak English. Before that, I'm not speaking because people are making fun of me. One of the biggest reason I thought this where we all are stuck and not trying to speak in English. Now, the last point is you know vocabulary, but you are never using it. Like you are getting more and more English word in your subconscious mind, but you are not using it in your daily life conversation. So you think that your vocabulary is not good, but somehow your vocabulary is here in your subconscious mind. It just have to use it. Because when you use vocabulary in daily life conversation, you get habit of forming a sentence. So yeah, these are the point why we can't speak English. Now, what we have to try or what we have to do to speak English. Or we can simply say what actually work to speak English because we already know and understand English. So first is shadowing practice. And if you don't know about shadowing, so you can check my playlist because I tell in detail about what shadowing is. It's simply you have to copy a speaker the way they speak. You have to just copy them. Now, second point is micro speaking practice. Like what I do. Like I challenge myself to speak 3 to 5 minutes on daily basis. So this call is micro speaking practice. Now, the environment issue I tell the solution is talk to yourself. Mirror talk. Record yourself. There's lots of apps and website where you also talk to natives stranger, so you are making only excuse if you say that I'm not surround or my environment is not like English. So you have a solution. You have to visit sites also, free app also available where you speak literally with natives or stranger in English, so you get speaking practice there. And trust me, record yourself is the best decision you ever made. If you are trying to speak English and record yourself, it will really work. It worked for me a lot. And I already shared my little secret with you. And if you are a new one, so you can comment in my chat box, inbox, comment box that you want to know again what my secret is. So last but not the least point is learn phrases, not just a word, because it's will helpful in daily life conversation. Like, by the way, you know what? At the end of the day, that's help you to make sentence forming, sentence structure. So in this video, I tell you why we can't speak English, what if we have to learn to speak English. Now, the conclusion of this video is if you understand English, you're already halfway there because English it's not a magic, it's a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. And you know what? You don't need a perfect accent, you don't need a fancy word, you don't need a perfect grammar. You just have to start where you are. Just start speaking English. Yes. So if you are someone who understands English but can't speak it, so just remember you are not the only one. There are so many people who suffer from it. You just have to just try speak English. That's the only solution. You have to learn English speaking is you have to speak English. So if you like this video, you have to subscribe my channel, like it, or comment and share. Yeah, Radhe Radhe.